Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about permutations and combinations. So let's get started. Now let's talk about permutations. Permutations are the number of ways in which things can be arranged. The formula for permutations without repetition is n factorial over n minus r factorial, and the formula for permutations with repetition is n factorial over p factorial and q factorial. If two numbers are same in the permutation formula, you just need a factorial of that number. For example, 6 permutation 6 is 6 factorial. If the sample is 0, then the answer is 1. For example, 4 permutation 0 is 1. You are creating a playlist consisting of 10 songs to choose from. You want to create a unique playlist by arranging songs in different orders. How many playlists can you create? For this problem, we use the permutations no repetition formula. Since 10 and 10 are the same numbers, we use 10 factorial, which is then equal to 3,628,800. Now let's move on to combinations. Combinations are the number of ways of selecting items from a collection where order doesn't matter. The formula for combinations is n factorial over r factorial and n minus r factorial. If both numbers are same in the combinations formula, the answer is 1. For example, 6 combination 6 equals 1. If the sample is 0, then the answer is 1. For example, 7 combination 0 is 1. You have 7 different pizzas to order for your guests. But with a limited budget, you can only order 3 different types of pizzas. How many different combinations of pizza orders can you create? For this problem, we use the combinations formula, which then equals to 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 4 factorial, which then equals 5040 divided by 144, which then results in 35. There is also a permutation and combination button available on most calculators, which you can use to solve permutation and combination problems. In this next video, we will talk about the differences between permutation and combinations. And thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. See you in my next video. Goodbye.